In this video we are going to talk about how to become financial investor. So before starting the video, please do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. What is investment? Investment is any expenditure or investment of resources that produces a future return. This concept involves both money and intellectual, social, or natural capital. And believe me, unraveling their meanings can be much simpler than it looks. You don't have to be a finance expert in investing, but it is important to know what investment is because this concept is part of most people's lives. After all, our relationship with money affects us directly. Get the knowledge first about top 5 investment companies that can grow in 2021. Look at the top 5 high-growth stocks to buy in 2021. 5. Zoom Video Communications Inc., Nasdaq, ZM. Zoom Video Communications Inc. is a California-based American technology firm specializing in video communications. Zoom was founded by former corporate executive Eric Yuan in 2011. The company was later rebranded as Zoom, inspired by a children's book of the same name. Zoom offers users the ability to have video meetings, chats, and webinars in all sorts of different virtual rooms and workspaces. It also boasts an app marketplace that makes integration with other platforms easier. The company has a market cap of more than $95 billion and reported more than $2.5 billion in profits in January 2021. In late March, the company announced that it was partnering with Formula One Racing for the 2021 season and beyond. The firm said it would deliver communication services for the racing and explore the possibility of providing new business and hospitality opportunities through the experiences of the live sport. The shares of the company have soared since the pandemic as people use it to communicate remotely. It is one of the high-growth stocks to buy for 2021. 4. Shopify Inc., NYSE. Shopify is one of the best high-growth stocks to buy now. It is a Canadian multinational e-commerce firm that was founded by Tobias Lutke and Scott Lake as a platform to sell snowboarding equipment online. It was rebranded and launched as Shopify in 2006. The e-commerce platform is the largest one in Canada and gives new customers the ability to open their own online stores with many inbuilt features and applications to go with it. For example, one of these is the chance to sell products in your online marketplace, on Shopify's platform, and on social media. The company has a market cap of more than $143 billion and reported a revenue of $2.93 billion in December 2020. American financial services firm Stifel, in late March, launched coverage on Shopify with a target of $1,200. Scott DeWitt, an analyst at the firm, said the company was positioned for sustainable growth. The company likes the stock because of the company's international expansion, growth in enterprise merchants and product diversification. Shopify is one of the high-growth stocks to buy for 2021. 3. Baidu Inc., Nasdaq, Baidu. Baidu is a Beijing-based multinational technology firm that works in artificial intelligence and internet-related products. The firm owns the largest search engine in the world and a mapping service named Baidu Maps. It also operates a cloud storage service and a digital encyclopedia. The company was founded by Chinese software engineer Robin Li in 2000. In 2007, Baidu was the first Chinese company that entered the Nasdaq 100 index, making it one of the most valuable technology firms globally. Baidu ranks third in our list of high-growth stocks to buy now. The company has a market cap of over $77 billion and reported more than $16 billion in earnings in December 2020. Loop, a Chicago-based brokerage and investment firm, late last month upgraded its rating of Baidu to buy from hold on the back of the company, leading the pace of the commercialization of autonomous vehicles in the Chinese market. Loop also noted that it expected gains from advertising on the Baidu search engine. Earlier, Baidu stock had fallen after American regulators tightened operating rules for dual-listed Chinese firms in the U.S. Baidu stock is still a high-growth stock well into 2021. 2. Alibaba Group Holding Limited, NYSE, BABA. Alibaba Group Holding is also a China-based multinational technology firm that focuses on e-commerce and internet-related products. It is one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the world and operates the 5th largest artificial intelligence company globally by the name of Alibaba Cloud. At its debut on the New York Stock Exchange in 2014, Alibaba raised $25 billion and made a name for itself as the largest initial public offering in the world at the time. In 2020, Forbes magazine named it the 31st largest firm globally. Baba ranks second in our list of high-growth stocks to buy now. Alibaba has a market cap of over $608 billion and reported more than $70 billion in revenue in March 2020. Jackson Wang, an analyst at American professional asset management firm Amber Hill Capital, told American news site CNBC that Alibaba was still the top technology stock in China and would remain so for the time being. The comments on the back of increased regulatory pressure on dual-listed Chinese firms in the US resulted in decrease in share prices for these companies on public trading platforms. Alibaba's stock is slated for high growth in 2021. 1. Airbnb stock. Airbnb's business model is simple. The company's platform connects people who want to rent out their homes or spare rooms with people who are looking for accommodations, and makes money primarily by charging the guest, as well as the host involved in the booking, a separate service fee. The number of nights and experiences booked on Airbnb's platform has risen from 186 million in 2017 to 327 million in 2019. With gross bookings soaring from around $21 billion in 2017, to about $38 billion in 2019. The portion of gross bookings that Airbnb recognizes as revenue rose from $2.6 billion in 2017, to around $4.8 billion in 2019. However, the number is likely to fall sharply in 2020 as COVID-19 has hurt the vacation rental market, with total revenue likely to fall by about 30% year-over-year. Yet, with vaccines being rolled out in developed markets, things are likely to start returning to normal from 2021. Airbnb's large inventory and affordable prices should ensure that demand rebounds sharply. We project that revenues could stand at about $4.5 billion in 2021. Let's talk about book to study about financial investment to learn to invest. Get it from Amazon in reasonable price, author Aftab Khan. Spend some time and research about stock and investors and check how the company has potential. Please do not look at the numbers but look at the business potential. Daily updates. Please watch and news about finance and cryptocurrency at www.generationstruggle.co.uk. Ebooks and free course will be available soon. If you enjoyed the video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification before you go. Thank you for watching. Sponsored by gaming app, Daniel Superboy. Available on Google Play.